There's a live snake in here. Live snake, I think this is big too.
Why? What are they gonna do?
Selling it. Or cooking it. Say hello. 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 Shy. Yeah.
Mango trees?
I don't know, to be honest. Who's this chubby one?
Oh, that's a chubby one?
Yeah.
Yeah. So much memories, huh? Yeah.
So this was the living room.
Yeah.
And there's obviously so entrance, living room. There used to be couches here. That room up there was where we all stayed as kids.
Yeah.
My cousin would come over and just sleep over and just eat trouble. And yeah. So this used to be my mother's room. I'm not sure why. I guess they locked it and stuff. I don't know. My grandmother's and my grandfather's room was in there. I'm guessing they're living in there now.
You're
So
living.
it's just like a little room with a bed.
Okay.
Yeah. So this area, this is where my grandmother actually, sorry, my grandfather actually stayed. There's like a little bed during the day, so that he could go to the washroom, and stuff when he was able to. And yeah, my cousins would be around to help him use the washroom. This is upstairs. So upstairs was 2 bedrooms. This is just the other bedroom, but it's connected by another door.
Okay.
Kitchen. Yeah, kitchen area. This is we used to, as family, when we used to meet as a family, we would oh, that's a lot of bikes. These are all my brother's bikes, by the way.
Oh my gosh.
And this was the where we would have our family dinners. And one day I used to tell you the story about Timmy falling in trying to get up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, this it was right here.
Oh my
This is
god.
all of fun. Everyone's watching Stacy really hard because apparently they never saw a black person before. Yeah, these guys are about to take a picture. Watch. 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 They're gonna take a picture. They're gonna take a picture. Watch. They're taking a picture. Hello. That's obviously they're taking a picture. Oh my goodness. Trứng nấu sao chị?
Em xuống nè, xào không lỗ.
Sao hả? Wow. Wow. Cái này là gì?
Cái trứng đó.
Trứng của nó hả?
Dạ.
Oh man.
Trứng đó có con của nó.
That's like intense.
Bị điện mà vừa đó.
My second meal.
What is this exactly?
This is deep fried pork intestine. Like even as a kid, I loved this.
Wow. Looks like chicharrones.
Tastes like chicken.
It tastes like chicken.
Nó bỏ cái đắng á.
Đắng cái gì?
Có xong á, rồi có cá nữa.
Không có cá nữa hả? Đây được không?
Được.
Okay. I said we're going on a trip.
This way?
We're going on a trip to.
Em mượn quay à?
Oh no, I have to talk. We're going on a trip to just the river, I guess. Trying to see some fishies. We got our little tour guide over here, my little
Cái đó
cousin.
cái sân nhà của em nó có
What's your
chó.
name? Tên gì? Tên gì?
Gia Bình.
Gia Bình.
Ở chợ Tân Bình.
Okay, yeah. But we call them ball.
Ở chỗ nhà em nói trong đó có nuôi gà.
We call them ball. I know what it means. Hi guys.
Just made it to the
Tip of Vietnam, southern tip of Vietnam. It's called Dat Moi. And yeah, we're just gonna walk around. Probably not much to do here, so we'll be out.
fire the drone around. Yes, and everybody is still staring at us.
Even harder now.
Even harder now because like apparently like tourists don't really come down this area, so this is very rare.
Fucking weirdo.
Weird. You should tell the story.
Yeah, so this is the southern tip of Vietnam. During the war, in I want a picture of that.
Majestic.
Yeah, so during the war, it was to escape the war. Down here.
This is World War II.
They just took off on boats and just went.
So apparently they're just like the currents take them to whichever land they landed on. Like it was without engine or anything.
Depending on what time of the year you go, it's like different.
So what does this mean? You should ask your cousin what it means. Because apparently a monument. Wow guys. This is the tip of Vietnam, guys. The end of the ends. There's no more land after this. Hey guys, we're here in Ho Chi Minh, also known as Saigon, and we're gonna go exploring. Right, Chubbs? we haven't left the house yet and we're like sweating.
Good morning, guys. We just got to a nice little cafe. We're just gonna get some coffee real quick and then head out to eat some pho. And yeah, it's a pretty nice coffee shop. It looks very hipster, so hopefully coffee's good or decent. Alright, guys, we're in Ho Chi Minh and we are walking around. We just did some shopping at the Diamond Plaza. It was pretty expensive, so it's like stuff you get back at home. So we just on our way to take pictures at the Pink Church. Yeah, and I'm really scared. I'm really scared to have my camera out. Oh no, we're going straight. Yeah, and we're gonna cross the road. So yeah.
We'll see you guys once
we'll
we
see.
reach the church.
Yeah, a little sketchy here, so. So we just got to the Pink Church. It's the Church of Tandon, I think. Yeah. It's very nice, actually. It's everyone's just taking pictures. They're just waiting for a turn. Just waiting for our turn. Stacy's having a great time because she loves me.
Good morning, everyone. Day 2 in Ho Chi Minh City. We're gonna go get some coffee now, and we're off to the airport to go to Da Nang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Second part of the, well, third part of the trip.
Third part of the trip.
Yeah.
So yesterday we had a full day of exploring the city, which is pretty cool. Very cool places, very Instagrammable places.
I got a heat rash.
And Gordan got a heat rash. Let's show them.
No, it's pretty gross.
Let's see. Let's see what a heat rash looks like.
Gross.
Yeah. So yeah. So try to stay cool over here. It's like, how hot is it?
It's 32 degrees Celsius, but it's still very humid. So it's just very important to stay dry.
Stay dry, yeah.
And,
because then you end up with a heat rash and then you have to put some kind of creams or stuff on.